Okay, well, an example of some of the information that I give out to my trading, people who are part of my live trading room is that, for example, the Fed Chair Janet Yellen, is testifying to the Senate Bank Committee, and she's expected to be hawkish, which will be good support to the US dollar. This would definitely help my pound-dollar trade. The FOMC minutes recently stated a lot of information and gave us a huge amount of data, and this was looked at in a dovish way by the market, as several members were concerned about raising rates too early. Bearing in mind the minutes were a reflection of the outlook shared amongst the members in January. And since then, we've had some extremely good labour market reports, which is the Fed's main focus when considering a rate hike, although they should be taking into consideration other factors that have an impact on the economy as well. Conclusion, I expect the US dollar during the up-and-coming New York session, when London and New York will be trading together, and there will be huge volume going through the market. In fact, this is the busiest time of day. So just looking at the price action, let me just get this up a little bit. It's a little bit boring at the moment because we're in the hour up to midday with London. This is the 11 till 12 hour, and this has been the morning in London, these 3 hourly candles. What concerns me slightly is there's been a lot of support here, this blue line. And I want the dollar to get stronger against the pound to hit my profit target down here. And hopefully the speech by good old Janet will help us out, basically. And this is the 5-minute price action. We're getting near the top of the hour in London, so this will form a new hourly candle here, and the price action will slow down because London will be going to lunch. In fact, you can see the 1 minute here. There's quite a bit going on, but when we roll over into the next hour, I expect all this to slow down. But I really want a drop below this price here, which is 54.27. So now we're not too far over it. Okay, I mean it's not a panic situation here, but it is cause for concern. So I'll be monitoring this trade incredibly carefully. I've adjusted my original profit target of 200 pips to just a pathetic 10 pips now. I say pathetic because I originally was going for a much larger profit target. But my thoughts now are, obviously we have to adjust, and it's adapt or die in the markets, really. So I've adapted, I've adjusted, and with Yellen speaking later, I hope that we'll have dollar strength and we'll get back to virtually my original entry point, which is about 12 days ago. And yes, it was 12 days ago. And I will show a profit if we do get enough dollar strength. Okay, so that's my plan. Of course, the way it's going at the moment, who knows what could happen, because this is currently all over the place. I mean, this is the 5-minute, that's the 1 minute, and that's the hourly. So these 3 spikes indicate a little bit of support around this level, which is a concern. But let's see how the New York trading session and London together do, and see what Janet has to say to us. Take care wherever you are in the world today. Thanks for listening, and all the best. Bye.